All right, we are at 801 94th Avenue, and this is St. Pete, and this building is the Gilchrist building. So right here, this is where it drops down. This is as far as I can get, just because of the size of the pipe. I'm pretty positive this is all 6-inch pipe. And I did find a clean out, and that clean out is right trying to clean the camera off a little bit. There we go. So right there is a clean out. I've already took a picture where that's at. That is it's right out at the front door underneath a tiled front entrance, which I'll send in the pictures for that. And we're going to come back. This does have some calcium buildup in it, but the only problem is this pipe, well, not a problem really, but this is all 6-inch pipe. And it looks like to me that it's never been, and we are in the women's restroom, and we luckily found a clean out in the wall. Not sure where that goes. I think that goes over to either the men's or the handicap bathroom. You can see there is a little bit of build up in here. There you go. That goes to the right. That's also to another bathroom. Turn the camera up a little bit. And that is from the men's. Pretty positive because the men's is right next door. Never pull. Let this go. Sorry, I had a little camera malfunction there. Oh no. They just made us a mess. Great. I'm going to have to pull this camera out real quick. You can see because somebody flushed the bathroom upstairs. I'm up in the clean out, so basically it comes down that way. Oh no. Maybe should have brought rags in. You know what? And thanks for watching.